In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Notion page to another account. If you're reorganizing your work or switching to a different workspace, moving a Notion page is quick and clean when you use the built-in Move to option. I'll guide you through it from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that currently owns the page you want to move. That way, you'll see the correct page in your sidebar and you'll have the right permissions to move it. Next, either create a new page or open an existing one you want to transfer. If you're testing the process, making a quick, empty page is a safe way to try it out. Otherwise, just click into the actual page you plan to move so you're looking at it directly. Now look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the page. This is the page's More menu. Click it to open a list of options related to this page. From that menu, select Move To. Notion will open a small panel showing the destinations available to you. This is where you'll choose where the page should live next. You'll see the other account or workspace options that are connected to your current login. If you have access to another account, it will appear here. Click the account or workspace you want, then pick the specific location or folder inside it if prompted. Once you've selected the destination, Notion moves the page right away. You'll notice it disappears from your current sidebar and appears in the sidebar of the account or workspace you chose. All the content inside the page, text, subpages, and databases goes with it. This makes it ideal for shifting whole projects without exporting or copying. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the other account listed in the Move to panel, that simply means Notion doesn't detect another workspace for your current login. In that case, check that you're signed into the correct profile that has access to both places. Also, remember that after a move, the page follows the permissions of its new home. If you previously shared the page, you may want to review sharing settings in the destination workspace to make sure the right people can still see or edit it. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open or create the page, click the three dots, choose Move To, and select the other account. Your page is now exactly where you need it.